Check Your Health is sponsored by Intermountain Health and the Utah Department of Health and Human Services.
Well, November is Diabetes Awareness Month, and we have Kendall Biela here, a registered dietitian nutritionist with Intermountain Health, to talk a little bit about, I guess, first of all, what is diabetes?
Yeah, so diabetes is when the body has a difficult time digesting and incorporating the glucose from the blood into the cells.
Okay, and there are things you can do with diet, and you want to talk a little bit about some of the myths. I know one of them is that if you have diabetes, you can't eat carbohydrates anymore.
Yes, correct. So when we eat carbohydrates, our body digests those into sugars. Right. So a lot of people think, oh, well, if my blood sugars are too high, I can't eat those foods anymore. And it's more about finding a balance with those foods and eating them consistently throughout the day.
Okay, and I have a sister who really changed her diet, and she said it's a kind of a trick of working carbohydrates with proteins.
Yeah. Exactly.
And that helps more. Okay, and then there's another one. If you don't eat, your blood sugar won't rise.
Correct. Yeah, I hear that one a lot. And what it actually is your body's going to regulate that blood sugar regardless of if you eat or not, but it just seems to be a little more not regulated if you're not eating.
Okay, so does it help to eat little meals throughout the day or snacks or what?
Yeah, so we recommend eating something, either a meal or snack, every 3 to 4 hours and not going more than 5 hours without having something to eat.
Okay, another one is if you have diabetes, eating fruit is bad for you because fruit has sugar.
Yeah. Fruit also has fiber, so fiber is another thing that can help slow down the digestion of those sugars in the fruit. So that's why we still recommend eating fruit, but limiting fruit juice.
Okay, because that's a little more concentrated of the sugar in it. And what's the trick to that combination? What should your meals consist of?
Yeah, so you want to have, at a minimum, something with fiber and something with protein. So like an apple and peanut butter would be a good snack. Or if you're doing a meal, doing a combination of some carbohydrates, some protein, and then some fruits and vegetables.
Okay, and you do classes on teaching how people, the portion control and the size of proteins versus carbs and that kind of thing, right?
Yeah, we do one-on-one nutrition counseling with patients on this very thing.
Okay, help you get through it, and that can help control so you don't need insulin or any other medications.
Exactly,
okay,
yeah.
Perfect, thanks so much.
Thank you.
We're gonna put this information on our website. You can go to KUTV.com and click on Check Your Health. Lindsay?